Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to put your iPhone in recovery mode. It depends on the iPhone you have. So I have an iPhone 10R. So I'm going to show you how to do that. We'll be working with the volume up and down buttons and the power button on the right side. So if you have another iPhone with different iPhone, check the description for more details. So for my iPhone, I'll just press and release the volume up, the volume down once. Now press and hold the power button. Don't release even if the Apple logo appears. Keep on holding. Perfect. As I said, if you have a different iPhone, it's going to be, the procedure is going to be different. Just check the description under this video. Please subscribe, leave your comments. If you have any questions, have a good day.